Hey baby cakes, how you doing? So you want the cheat code. What are the next 15 months going to look like for the cryptocurrency industry? Well, I don't have the secret code to tell you exactly what the price will do, but I can tell you what the crowd will feel. And it's going to be a recycling of two human emotions. Let's read through my tweet together. So I have the next 18 months here of crypto will most likely be a recycling of two human emotions, disbelief and hope. And there is a recycle emoji. Thank the Lord, there is a recycle emoji. Okay. The disbelief phase will reward the bulls as it traverses up the range. So disbelief is when people on the sidelines have USD, fiat trash, and their paper hands, and they want much lower prices. So I can already confirm to you, I know a couple of influencers, and they have, they'll have about $100,000 clip. They want to buy Bitcoin at 10K. And it's interesting, I don't even know if they both know each other, but they are both frothing at the mouth at the thought of Bitcoin 10K, so they can sell at 100. Which is funny because, man, if you're here 18 hours a day, why are you even trading this trash Bitcoin, man? You can make way more than a 10x. But that's for another video, okay? So everybody's frothing at the mouth at that. They're like, oh, yes, yes. And it's disbelief because they can't believe that everything your friend Somi says is true when I say, hey, dum-dum, accept that you're a peanut brain with me. There are trillions of dollars out there with insider information who front run the future. The market price is in stuff. They have more money than me and you. They have more information. They are smarter. Okay? You are not a genius. You are a little pin drop in the ocean. They are not going to wait for the news to turn good for them to get in. Okay? So stop being so arrogant and accept that you're a paper hand. Now, this speech, I wish it would get into people's brains, but I know they're just going to be a slave to the green candle, right? Or the red candle. Now, after that comes hope. So, after enough disbelief has happened, hope is going to come. And I've said here, hope will reward the bears for the first few times on some macro moves. So, that's what we're in for. So, we are going to rotate between them. And I've got here, hold your favorite crypto. You have my favorite crypto down here. So, this is the Wall Street cheat sheet, okay? And we're going to see a rotation here. So it's going to go disbelief, and then it's just going to cycle, right? Or hope and disbelief. We're just going to keep cycling between them two, okay? We're going to see this, and I can show you this represented in the charts, okay? Now, we can have a look at Bitcoin. Perfect, beautiful examples of Bitcoin. Like so many, right? We can look at the weekly chart, but the weekly chart is a bit thick. Okay, I want to put it down in a daily so you feel it. Okay, I want you to feel the emotion. If you go to the weekly, you think you're a genius, you're holding diamond hands like me, right? So obviously here, you can, this is 2019. You can see the disbelief phase here, right? Everyone's like, nope, you can't. Everyone was saying you can't break 6K for Bitcoin. It's such a big level, right? And then what do you think happened? And then it became disbelief, 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 all the way to get everyone into the hope phase. Everyone's like, hope, I hope we've recovered now and the bad is really, really over for us. And we're going to break the high. It really turned into hope. And then we crashed down on the backed. This was the backed scam. And then it became hope again. See this green candle? Let's walk through it, right? Let's walk through it. So, plus token Ponzi, hope, backed sent us here. Backed was a trash scam exchange dumped on us, okay? Then China, Winnie the Pooh, pumped us. Hope again. And then, oh no, okay? Everyone's like, this is never going to recover. You go back to here, friends. Disbelief. This rally will fail like the others, okay? See? And then the pre-halvening run. Zombie virus. You see these emotions? And then, obviously, disbelief came. But this is what you got to understand, right? You don't know the exact price movement. You know the emotions, okay? Funny story. I'm going to make a tweet about this. You can actually verify this on Twitter. I was the only person, funny, on Twitter, maybe the world, who knows, who said, you know, when Bitcoin broke here and it went above, I said, this was the last time we're ever going to see 9,000. That was my only call. Because I noticed something, okay? There's a Vegeta meme, the over 9,000 meme. Let's get it up. It's over 9,000 Bitcoin, right? So everybody was posting this. It's over 9,000 meme for Bitcoin, for the price. Here you go. The Vegeta meme right here. Everyone was posting it every single time. Let's put it here. This is very interesting, right? Every single time it started here. You know, it's over 9,000 and then down. Oh, it's over 9,000 and then down. And then again, third time. And then fourth time, right? 9,000 and then... It was funny. It came at post. They posted it here and then it went back down. And guess what? This is the funny part, right? My early days, see this rectangle? No one posted it. Nobody believed in this final pump up. And I observed this and I went to Reddit and I go, this was the last time Bitcoin's ever going to go below 9K because you all stopped saying this meme. And it was right. I couldn't believe how right it was, right? It's actually funny to see. So, unfortunately, we are going to probably develop a meme like this. Something else, you know, someone's going to do a meme. Oh, we're up, you know, above 40K, below 40K. Something's going to happen to just rinse everyone out. It's very unfortunate. But that's what's going to happen, man. We're going to get us, the emotions are going to come back and forth, okay? But, you know, I want to show you the earlier 2015 cycle for Bitcoin. So, if it happens slow enough, you never even need to really crush everyone. Because look, hope, and then, oh no, you know, disbelief, hope, disbelief, right? But in the 2019 pump, I did this before. It was so strong, it would have been like, you see this price of Bitcoin, let's go down 40%. So here's $600. So if this rally went up like this, see up here, if this rally went up to here, that would equal what 2009 did, this strength, back to 650 for Bitcoin, right? And then it would have went down, come back, but it would have landed in the same, roughly the same area into the Bitcoin halving. So you end up at the same place, but the path to get there is different, you know? So we don't know what's going to happen, right? Let's actually use a real world example here. So we don't know, are we going to disconnect too much? Okay, so, you know, maybe, I don't know, maybe we actually do something smaller, you know? It's possible, man, it's possible. It really is possible we do something like that. Or maybe the market really wants to just screw everyone and scare everyone like that. Scare the people on the sidelines, you know. We'll probably end up at the same place. You see how they cross? Guessing, right? We're just guessing, speculating, right? It could all go to zero. There's this scenario too. We go to zero, right? So that's what you're in for. I want you to be prepared. That's why I'm sharing this with you. Unfortunately, I'm also going to feel those emotions with you, even though I know what's going on. I'm going to feel the hope. I will, because I'm so bullish fundamentally and I know how much the world governments are scamming fiat. I'm like, oh man, and then yeah, it's going to get crushed again. So we aren't in control, okay? Now, I want to add as well how I also know we're going really deep into disbelief is this. In the past 2 weeks, 4 people contacted me to tell me that they're doing trading bots. And I'm saying this is the end of bear market trap, okay? I saw the exact same observation in 2019. Unfortunately, it won't end well. 2022 trained everyone to quit hodling. This is true, okay? And I continue here. Trading bots, they're going to get you liquidated eventually. Because it's obvious, right? Nobody with a trading bot is going to give it away to you, okay? And if they did, the data is fit only to recent observations. So they'll just fit it to like the past 2 months or 3 months or 6 weeks, right? And then the conditions change and you get wrecked. And you only realize after you've given them money and you get destroyed, okay? So the conditions will change. So what you have to do now, you have to accumulate your spot bags, all right? The time to trade, right, as a newbie, it's done, okay? This is where you accumulate your spot bags, you buy and hold, okay? Offload in 2025 to 2026 euphoria whenever she comes. So trading's gonna suck. I'm gonna show you this, right? Look, when I see this chart, delete these. When I see this range here, I know like the back of my hand, man. I have so many stories to tell you guys of so many people. Some of them are listening to this right now. Unfortunately, like I feel for you, man. I know people who lost between Like they had 1 to 9 Bitcoin, in crypto, and they lost it in this range. Do you know why? Because they stopped believing. They didn't want to hold anymore. They started getting lured by trading influencers. They don't know that top 3% are winning. Yeah, I'm profitable, but you're not going to be profitable, man. You're going to get destroyed. Crypto moves too fast. By the time you figure out how to be profitable, it's already been 18 months. You've missed it. Okay? And you're going to have to hold USDT most of the time anyway, because you're not going to be in the mindset of just holding with infinite no stop long term anyway. Okay? So it's like you open a trap door on yourself. Once you start having like stops and risk for everything, you can't unlearn it. Okay? Right now, if you're buying and holding, you are in a sleepy coma. Okay? There will be a sleepy emoji here with a bed. Okay? You want to be the sleepy coma guy. The sleepy coma guy wakes up in 3-4 years and everyone's euphoric and his bags are up 25x. Okay? You want to be the sleepy coma guy. This is the richest guy of all. Okay? The trader guy, let's do some nerd glasses, right? And a casino here. The trader guy, they are not wealthier than the coma guy. The guy in a coma kills it. According to all stats, Vanguard, all the ETFs, they say the people with the most money are either dead, lost their password. That's it, those two. Okay? So you do not want to be the trader guy. There are people who are going to be the trader guy. Good luck to them. Good luck. I'm here for the 97%. Okay? The top 3%, you're going to win no matter what you do anyway, man. Okay? So I'm here to look out for you. So in this rectangle, a lot of people just gave up. And look at it, man. It's a lot of emotions. You can understand, like, yes, hope, disbelief, hope, disbelief, hope, disbelief, hope again, disbelief. I felt it every single time. Hope, disbelief. And then everyone was like, no one knew this was coming. Okay? You don't know. See, in this circle part, you don't know the big move that's about to happen. You're still living the pain. You're still like, oh my God, everyone thought this was going to happen. I promise you. And then up here, everyone thought this was going to happen. Everyone thought this was going to happen. Okay? You can't front run your euphoria. Okay? So it is painful. So this is what's going to be in store for us. A recycling of these emotions. Okay? Now the next game that you're going to have to be playing is a game with yourself, man. It really is. Okay? But first, 2022 was painful. But now you're going to look in the mirror and just be proud because you did it. You held through, made it through the bear winter. So you just continue DCA buying or hold to 2025, right? We're still in disbelief right now, but eventually it'll form hope. Once it forms hope, we're gonna get some slaps, all right? We're gonna get some slaps. As soon as we start getting hopeful, where disbelief's gonna come. It's gonna shake us back, and we're just gonna be rotating this all the way to the Bitcoin halving. Okay? You don't know the exact prices. Okay, so I want you to know, no matter what happens from here, the only thing you got to fight, literally, is an emotion for your emotions of yourself. Okay, you got to look in the mirror and say, you did the hardest part. Okay, do you have any money on the sidelines? Are you working a wage? You keep DCA buying. Okay, personally, my final message now, if I was DCA buying with a weekly wage, I would auto buy no matter what up until December 2023. That's it. No questions asked. Okay, no questions asked. Not even the Bitcoin halving year. That's it. Okay, and then if you want to save up any extra bullets, I think after the Bitcoin halving, whatever happens, the first major dip somewhere, wherever it is, that's when we're going to start to look at the degenerate casino and what 2025 will bring. Okay, so I'm already thinking years ahead. Okay, so don't worry about this game. Your goal is this box. Okay, your goal is market buy everything because they're still at a big discount. Until next time, friends.